Welcome everyone to today's tutorial where we'll be building a responsive website using HTML and CSS step by step. If you're a beginner or just looking to improve your web development skills, you are in the right place. Before we go on, I want to express my gratitude to our incredible community of over 200 subscribers. Your support inspires me to keep creating valuable content. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to join our growing family so you never miss the incredible content we have in store for you. So hit that subscribe button and let's learn, create, and grow together. Let's get started. First, we need to create a basic structure of our web page using HTML. You can start by adding the doctype declaration, the HTML tags, and a head section. Let's set the title of our website and link our external CSS files. Now, it's time to create the body of our web page. We'll begin by adding a header element, a top bar which will just hold the phone number for our website, and a bottom bar where we can place our website's logo and our navigation menu. Now that our header structure is in place, let's move on to styling it using our CSS file. Let's start by setting some basic styles for our web page. We'll remove default margin and padding and set text decoration and list styles to none. Next, we'll make our header span the full width of our page. Then, set the background color of our top bar to this light yellow color. We want the content to be arranged horizontally, and we are pushing the content to the right side of the container. For our top bar content, we will set a height of 30 pixels, a maximum width of the viewport width, some padding inside 20 pixels from top and bottom, 30 pixels from left and right, and the text inside will be aligned to the right of the container. We are also going to set the font size to 16 pixels and give our text a dark brown color. For the inner content, we will arrange it horizontally, center them vertically, and push them to the right of the container. We are also going to give our image a width of 10% so that it takes up only 10% of the parent container's width. For the bottom bar, we'll give it the same background color as the top bar. Next, we'll move on to the content area. We'll give it a minimum height of 60 pixels a maximum width of 1200 pixels, and some 30 pixel space inside on the left and right. We're also going to center it on the page using the Margin 0 Auto property. For the nav class, we are going to apply a smooth transition effect to all the properties. For our nav list, the list items will be displayed side by side with a gap of 40 pixels between them. We'll give the nav links a dark brown color, a smooth transition, and some hover effect. That's all for today. In the next part, we'll work on the hero section. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.